Day 69, everybody. We're starting this on the phone because we just finished up at Costco.
We got the Costco cookie and hot dogs. We're gonna try it. Crumble cookie, you better watch it.
800 calories. Let's see what we got going on here. I hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to the next. Oh, it's
you already said that. Holy thumbnail.
Okay.
We can try it at the same time.
Grab it in here. We gotta get this in the camera. Ready? Wait, hold up. What are you breaking?
Wait, I don't understand how you want to break this.
We can break it. We need to get in the camera though. We're not getting in the camera.
You can't get it in the camera.
You have to go like this.
You just do it.
What do you mean you can't get in the camera? Go like this and break it up. Okay.
Let's go that piece. What? You can't try it without me!
That's fucked. Oh, that's insane.
It's like not even cooked.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. That's for always eating all the time before you do that one.
The end is so good.
Crazy pre-workout meal. We're gonna head to the gym today. I think I'm gonna hit chest. I actually need those carbs. If you're not keto, if you're eating carbs normally, you need carbs. You can't just avoid carbs fully because
or fats.
Your body will feel it. Yeah, especially fats. But if you're having like just protein, you have fats like eggs.
Yeah.
Unless you're eating like just egg whites and like 97%, lean ground beef, like stuff like that. But that's why I always cook. I'm gonna cook this steak after the workout. First steak I've ever cooked. First like kind of real steak I've had. The only steak I've actually only have is like steak from like Subway or steak from like a breakfast place. That's
steak
not
from
like
Subway. You never had steak from the keg?
No. I've never made my own steak, so this is not my first steak ever, but basically like the first time I'm gonna make it the way I want and cut the slices nice, and it's gonna be like real steak. So
really, that's strange.
We're gonna catch you when we're taking pre. We'll head to the gym.
Took my pre at home. We're here. We're gonna bench today. To be honest, I haven't benched in a while. I've been doing a lot of dumbbell like you guys have been seeing, but I want to see how heavy I can go today. Kind of. A lot of pause reps. I did some shoulder mobility stretches, just a lot of the hangs and stuff. So we're gonna see how heavy we can go. I'd be really happy with like 275 for like decent reps. But I'm not gonna like tap and go. I'm just gonna do like really quality reps, slow on the way down, fast up, building. I don't really care for heaviness right now. But I want to see like what the heaviest I can go while doing comfortable like pause reps. That's today's thing. I also want to move my grip closer because I go really wide and I want to keep it more tricep dominated. We're also gonna do triceps after this too, chest and tricep. So. Oh, knock Adam in. What up? What you guys doing? You ain't getting no speeding ticket in a school zone. You lying too, bro. This guy lying too.
Okay, if you don't believe me, go on my IG. you go check my speed, 18.7.
What's that in kilometers?
18.7 miles per hour is 30 kilometers.
40. It's 40 in the school zone.
It's 30 in the school zone.
Yeah, he said he can beat you, bro. He said he can beat you.
Nah, bro.
Okay, it's 40. I didn't know.
He's too heavy now.
In some schools, some cities it's 30. There's some cities where it's 30 though.
What city, bro?
I don't know.
You gotta be more specific, bro. Brother.
30 kms is crazy.
Jake, do you think you can beat him though?
Yeah.
Race?
Yeah. He's too heavy now. I raced him when he was like 175 when he was like fucking.
I matched my speed from when I was skinny. I wanted to, well, I was 3 points behind. I did 18.9, but I did 18.7 now.
Okay, so your excuse, you said your shoes. Why don't you go change it and let's see what you got?
I might have him in my car
I
actually.
have shoes for him in my car right now.
I might have him in my car too.
Go to the back.
Let me hit try. Let me hit tries for like 20 minutes and then we'll do it.
Yeah. We'll be waiting. We'll be waiting.
Who's racing? This is a flag. That's what you're talking about.
Oh shit. He does it really good.
I don't know.
Bro, just go! Go on! Now go again and again. Stop being scared. You're gonna fuck yourself up being scared. Just go. It's easy. Boom! See? Stop being a chicken, bro.
Let's get the hang of it, cuz.
Just start flipping. Wham! I thought he was gonna do it. There you go. Tuck your hands a little bit. Jake, when you go up and your legs come, try to grab your legs and get to the ball. It makes it easier to come down.
Yeah, I'm actually getting.
Nice.
Oh, he's getting air. He jumped over the mat. He's getting air time. Oh, he's flying, bro. He's flying. That's crazy.
Look at him go.
No, he's flying, bro.
Ready? Set. Go.
No, what the fuck, bro? What is that?
Ready? Set. Go.
What the fuck is that?
This time has to be like. Are you
Come
guys
on,
ready?
ready. Come on.
Ready, set, go.
Let's go back to back. I go, then you go. I go,
10,
then you go.
10,
10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 to 100.
All right, 100 pull-ups.
100 pull-ups
Finish off
to end the
the
workout, to end the day. 100 pull-ups to end the workout, end the day. Jake starting. Last set. Ah! Let's go. Yes, sir. 90? 100? 100.
We're gonna head home. I gotta cook that steak. Straight to the lat and the bicep.
My arm's bigger than my legs.
Yeah, literally. All right, we're gonna make steak steak and eggs, everybody. Boom. Boom. Throw some pepper on it. Okay. We're gonna do 4 eggs with this meal. Hopefully it tastes good with the beef being, or the steak being cooked in there. I'm gonna find out. Cooked nice though. Oh my gosh. Literally brown. Oh, that's perfect though.
That was the steak.
Good. Alright. That's gonna do for the video. If you guys liked, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna eat this steak and eggs. I'll catch you in the next episode. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Been your boy Jake. God bless. Peace out, everybody.